What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Casey and this is your weekly off-road news. Before we get started, if you aren't already a subscriber, I would love to have you join the community here. So if you enjoy off-road vlogs, news, install guides, and reviews, smash that subscribe button. So it looks like this week I have more Gladiator updates for you. TFLNow uploaded a hands-on Jeep Gladiator video this week. It was more of a walk around of a lot of stuff that we've already seen in some previous videos. I suspect they're going to be uploading another one soon with the Jeep actually in action. But one thing they did let us know, Jeep is going to be announcing pricing on the Gladiator on the 30th at midnight. I suspect over at Jeep.com, where we have the configurator and the build and price system, that will be the first place that we see the pricing, and we'll finally get to see what this Gladiator is going to cost. While we may not have got to see the new Gladiator in action over on TFLNow, we did get to see a couple photos posted of the Gladiator on an RTI ramp this week, thanks to Instagram user suspensiontuna. The Gladiator was posted alongside the Tacoma TRD, TRD Pro, Colorado Z71, and the Colorado ZR2. In these photos, you can clearly see that the Gladiator is out flexing any of its direct competition. It was noted in the comments that the Gladiator had its sway bar disconnected. This is a Rubicon model, and it's going to have the electronic automatic disconnect, but still, it looks like it has a whole lot more articulation over the competition. Speaking of competition, a new article was posted up at autonews.com. This article discusses some details that were released this week at a Ford dealer's meeting. The Bronco is going to feature both a removable top and removable doors, body-on-frame design, as well as a solid front and rear axle. Although the Bronco was killed off in 1996 by Ford, it looks like they're going to be resurrecting it soon and going head-to-head in the Jeep market space. Last up, I wanted to leave you with a couple cool videos that I saw this week. Hoonigan Garage had Ryan Kibley on with the JeepSpeed 3700 class race truck. Now there isn't a whole lot of Jeep left in this rig, but it is still an awesome build nonetheless. If you're a fan of the Hoonigan channel, you may remember that Ryan was the first driver to jump a vehicle in the Hoonigan loading bay. The race truck features a fully independent front suspension, which is not something we normally see on Jeeps, as well as a V8 with over 400 horsepower. This is a really cool walkthrough of what just goes into and how much modification there is in a race truck or a race Jeep in this case. So head on over to the Hoonigan channel and check out their video. And finally, over on the Beard Jeepers YouTube channel, he uploaded a video this week titled, "You Need to Wheel Your Stock Jeep." I think this is a great reminder to anyone that thinks you need to spend a ton on mods to get out and enjoy your Jeep off-road. If you have a Jeep, it is plenty capable straight from the factory, so get out there and use it. On the next news upload, I wanted to add something new at the end. I wanted to feature some rigs of people that follow me on Instagram or subscribe here to the channel. If you want me to give you a shout out and feature a video or a short clip of your rig at the end of my weekly news, send me a DM over on Instagram with your picture or video. Each week, I will feature a couple of the rigs that you guys have sent me at the end of these videos. Thanks so much for watching. As always, there's links to anything that I featured in this week's upload down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. I really do appreciate it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. With that said, I will see you in the next upload.